Welcome to Microsoft Word tutorials on special characters in our document creation. Today's video we are going to look at 20 special characters we can insert into Microsoft Word, and also urge you to stick to the end. I'll provide you a simple bonus on getting other special characters in Microsoft Word. This is the lesson 6 of this current video. I already have lesson 1 to 5 posted on my channel. I'll provide them in the description below, and also you can jump to the home page of my YouTube channel, which is Banahene tutorial collections, then get access to those particular videos. Let's look at the 20 special characters we can insert into this current video. The first on my list is 1F3C5. You hold the Alt key and the letter X and you get access to this particular emoji. Now, as I said in my previous video, this can be customized by selecting. You can change the color. You can use any of these colors here to change the color of this present image or special character. The next on my list is I have this ant. I have this basket. Now, also, if you want to get some lines which are single line, double lines, or any type of lines that are used in Microsoft Word, we can also use this particular trick. You can type 3 dashes on your keyboard. If you have a character or an item above this line, you just create this 3 dashes and press the enter key, and that is going to draw this straight line under those characters or items. The next one is to use the equal to sign. You press it 3 times and press enter. This provides you with a double line. You can also use the asterisk symbol 3 times and press the enter key, and you're going to have this kind of line. So we've entered 20 characters in this particular video. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. We have one more additional character to insert. So let's insert this character, and then we get into our bonus of today's video. So we have this monkey inserted. Now, the bonus of this video is that we are going to use a simple trick, and we can also get access to other characters or images. And this is done by holding the Windows key and the full stop symbol. When you do this, this is going to bring out this simple window, which is the emojis window. And when you look at this special window, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 tabs available. When you click on this tab, you get access to these emojis, which you can use your scroll bar to scroll and find other characters or symbols. You can also click on this second one, which talks about emoji, and then you can search for other emojis. We have recently used emojis. You can scroll through this interface and get access to other emojis, which you can insert into your document creation. When you move to this section, we have the smiley faces and animals, which also gives you this other images. We also have this icon, which is people. When you click, you have access to all these emojis. We also have these celebrations and objects, and you can insert this into your Word document. You also have this, and also we have this. So if I want to insert this particular character, I'll just double click, and then that is going to have it inserted into my Word document. You can also click on it once, and that is going to insert your character. So you can see that I'm inserting special characters into this document creation. So you just have to click to select. So this is the bonus of the day on how to insert special characters into your Word document, and these characters are customizable. You can use the font color to change their colors based on your preference. You can select, move to this icon, and then you can change it to any color of your choice depending on your preference. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and also subscribe, and I will meet you in the next tutorials.